Hey, I'm back on another one. I just want to read y'all a little something out of this book. It's called Think and Grow Rich. I think y'all should purchase y'all one. Get y'all a Kindle. They got the internet is so amazing. Now you can get access to anything so fast. Get stuff delivered to you. It's amazing. So we might as well just use it, right? That's another gem I just gave y'all. This is what it says in here, and it's just a little knowledge to get some of y'all head while y'all trying to build around money. Also, health is wealth, so that's another thing. Always get your health together first, because if you don't have your health together, you cannot make your money. You ain't gonna feel good. How you gonna make some money if you don't feel good? You know what I'm saying? It says, if you think you are beaten, you are. So if you think you can't do nothing, you think that you beaten, then you already are. That's where your mindset is at. So you can't think like that. Do not ever think like that. You want to say, look, I got this. No matter who believe in you, no matter who don't believe you, it really don't matter. It's what your dream is. You see your vision already before it even happens. So if you think you are beaten, then you are. Let's talk positive upon ourselves. You know, let's try to think positive all the time. I know we don't have good days all the time, but let's just strive for that more. Strive for all that greatness that we got up in us. You know what I'm saying? If you think you'll lose, you're lost. So if you think you'll lose, you already lost, man. Come on. You already think you'll lose, you already lost. So those are two little things, little quotes I wanted to give y'all off the Think and Grow Rich book. Go purchase y'all one. Go download it, do what y'all got to do. I want to show y'all something else, too. I don't know my other phone. Hold on, y'all. Get my other phone. See this hustle. Yeah, hustle. That's what we doing. We hustling. Get my other phone here. Check out something. Let's see what I got going. It's called Trading View. So this is basically the charts of, you know, the basic stocks. So you could do like Google or Amazon, just to see where the market is going at with those stocks. Is it high? Is it low? Can I invest? Can I not? So you could be a great charter. Learn how to chart, mess around with that thing. That's basically what I did like 5 years ago. I started messing around with the chart, started trying to figure out what I'm going to do or how I'm going to do this, started seeking more information. That's basically what we're doing. And I want to just show y'all what I'm doing. Let's go here. It's an app too, y'all. Look like this Disassemble Trading View app. You see everything is currently green right now. Like I told y'all yesterday, the market is definitely at its highs. Everything is green. When you start seeing that red, then you already know that it's time to what? Put some money in. So we already know the basics. So I just want to show y'all what's going on. You got the bears, you got the bulls of the green, and the bears of the red. Always remember that. I got crypto on here and everything. That's crazy work. So we're going to go in VOO. VOO right now, price is at $585.58. The market is definitely at its highs right now. And I'm going to show you how it looks too. It don't never work if you have it up. It always works if you put it sideways. It's called the Vanguard S&P 500. It's the VOO. It's the ticker symbol. I can't talk now. Symbol, if y'all are interested. VOO is the ticker symbol. Ticker. I don't know how to say ticker. Ticker symbol. That's how you're supposed to say it. God. And then y'all see it just climb up high, just all the way up there. I call this right here, y'all. I don't really know, but this is like my little money line. I call it the money line. That's why it's green. I said it as green. I got to figure out what the name of it really is. And this would have been a dip. You know, let me stretch it out more. It's definitely an indicator though. I gotta see which indicator that is so I can let y'all know. But yeah, see if it go under here, y'all, you already know y'all gonna eat. But right now we are currently at the highs once again. So don't be. It's called the SMA 200 close. So that's what this indicator is called. If y'all want to put it on y'all charts or whatever, I call it the money line. That's what I call the money line, because when it go past that money line, like that green line right here, that's when I really know I can eat. And I want to give y'all an example. Y'all know what the dips are though. The dips are not hard to see. Like that's a great example of the money line, where it's like all the way down there like that. And it's not over the money line, it's under the money line. But it's really called SMA 200 close indicator. But yeah, that's just a little sauce I wanted to show y'all. It's like kind of playing with the charts a little bit, trying to kind of giving y'all a little bit of a motivation and everything like that. Whatever's on my brain, I'm gonna let y'all know.
I said the chart vertical is not as effective. Should have gave a Horace Uncle Hugh and even better on laptops. I still seek the information. That's why I'm giving y'all the gem. That's why I'm giving y'all the information. And we're gonna keep on going. Welcome to OTI. I know y'all came on this video for a reason, so please don't forget to like and subscribe, because y'all came on here for another one, and I'm keeping giving y'all another one, and we're gonna keep on going. Have a great day, y'all. Peace out.